Hello, in front of me I've got Parkside Shredder. In this video I'll tell you what to do if garden waste is not being pulled in. For this problem we've got three possible causes. Firstly, shredding material can be too soft. Troubleshooting for this problem is pushing through using wood or shred dry branches. Next, cutting roll is blocked. In this case, release blockage and remove the blockage. In the end, shredding material is in ejection chute. In this case, pull out the plug, wait until blades stop, remove shredding material from ejection chute. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.